In Superstar mode, everything revolves around earning XP. XP gives you skill points and those let you upgrade your overall as you move through the season and your career. As you level up, you unlock abilities that help you perform better and make it easier to secure your spot on the roster. You'll see your core skills, objectives, and showdown skills on the main screen. Playing games is the fastest way to earn XP. You can buy XP or max XP in the store, but that's optional. As you progress, you earn more XP, which gives you to upgrade different attributes and unlock higher tier abilities. Abilities unlocks at specific levels, some at level 3, some at level 10, 20 or 30. For example, QB Playmaker unlocks at level 3 and gives your receivers quicker reactions. You can also upgrade abilities from bronze to silver to gold as you level up. Showdown abilities work the same way and help boost your overall performance. After each match, you will earn progression bonuses, influence quests and coach objectives. Early on, you can reach around level 10 within a few games if you play well. Skill points can be added to whatever build you're going for. As a quarterback, that might be short accuracy, medium accuracy or deep accuracy. Upgrading these raises your overall and unlock more abilities. The store also has XP boosts like 30 minutes or 2-hour multipliers. These help you level faster if you choose to use them. As you advance, you will unlock stronger abilities. Some make interceptions harder, other boost accuracy or movement. Everything you unlock helps you play better, which gives you more XP in return. To progress consistently, just keep playing your weekly games, complete live events, practice drills, showdowns and even friend matches for small boosts. All of it contributes to earning skill points and building the best version of your player in Superstar mode. And that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.